Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here from Automated E-commerce, and in this video, I'm going to show you the top 7 products that you can sell on your Shopify store right now that are getting results already for my students. You can replicate those results just by choosing the products on this list and on this video. These are carefully researched, not just something I found, thought it was cool, carefully researched for your success so you can get results with your store as well. Let's go. And quickly before we start, we are live on our 5-day Shopify training happening for free in the first link down in the description in our private Facebook group. I'm sharing absolutely everything that you need present in your business so you can get results just like these people are making 6 figures, 7 figures. What differentiates them from the people that don't get results and exactly the strategies that you need to follow. I will be sharing everything in that live training during this week. Make sure to join it down below. For the first product up is this automatic fly trap. You've probably seen it around. It is sort of going around a few people. There's a few stores selling it and also some spy tools featuring. Be very careful with this product because a lot of the listings have less than 5-star reviews. I was checking some listings, they have 3 stars, 2 stars. The product is quality and it does work, but depending on what supplier you pick, the quality of the product and if it actually works like it's supposed to, it's different from every supplier. So make sure that you choose a good one. This one in particular has 5 stars. It is basically an automatic fly trap that gets the flies to go inside and they get trapped inside the fly trap. A lot of these different products that trap flies, bugs, mosquitoes, they sell really well and they sell again and again and again with different variations of the same product, but it does basically the same thing. It solves a problem. It's also very easy to put next to food. For example, you can just leave this fly trap somewhere where you're having dinner or next to your kitchen, somewhere like that, where other fly traps are more invasive. They're really harmful to health and you need to put them very far from your food. This one, you can actually put it very close to your food. It solves a very big problem, which a lot of people struggle with, specifically people that are at home, they cook at home, they have a kitchen, flies all over the food, and especially now in summer, over the next couple of months. I really think this product is gonna be great. And I also saw a 7-figure store testing this product, doing really well with it. So really good product to sell. Just make sure that you choose the right supplier for it. This one doesn't have that many orders. It is the best one reviewed that I found, but it does have thousands of orders across multiple listings on AliExpress. The next product up, this Easy Can Top Remover. It has over 1,000 orders, almost 1,100 orders. And when a product has this many orders without any reviews, that is a great indicator that the product is being drop shipped. It's being sold by a Shopify store, not by actual people on AliExpress. What it does is basically you can go over any can, specifically beer, and just cut it off immediately, and it opens the can up for you like this. So it's a can opener, but a really cool can opener. It's something that you can sell for barbecues, people that are going camping, people that are having house parties or anything like that. Definitely a great product to sell. The orders speak for itself. Over 1,000 orders here, no reviews, meaning that a lot of people are selling it. It's also a product that has a cool wow factor. It solves a problem. Sometimes it's really hard to open these cans, and it's a problem that can be easily solved with something like this. It is wow factor, where it basically gives a different experience in opening the can. You can put lime on it. You can treat it as if you had a glass for yourself, and it's also something that specifically men will enjoy when they're drinking beer, and it's just a product that can sell to a massive amount of people. It can be scaled up to the millions of people. Highly recommend you sold it. My assistant found it, did really good with this particular product, and you can sell it on yourself if it fits your Shopify store. Product number 3, this thermos right here, but it's not just a coffee mug or a thermos just for putting cold things. It's actually a thermos that tells you the temperature on the top. I'm gonna little video here. It's called a smart cup. It's all in Chinese. I wouldn't recommend using the videos on AliExpress. And the reason why I show you products on AliExpress is just so you know how many orders it's getting, where can you source it from. I do not recommend shipping to your customers from AliExpress. Please check the other video. It's gonna pop up somewhere over here that I did before on what sourcing alternative to use or what alternatives to use for your business. Do not source and ship with AliExpress. Just a quick warning there. This particular product is getting a lot of sales and a lot of potential, has really good reviews, so it's selling organically in the platform on AliExpress, and it has also a lot of people that are selling it on their Shopify stores. It has a lot of time where it can keep a product very cold or very hot right here. You can keep it 1 hour, 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours even. You can put anything on it. Has also a tea filter, so it's sort of the next level of a coffee mug or a thermos. And also it tells you the temperature at all times here on the bottom of, or on the top of the mug. So it's something that if somebody has a normal mug, they want to upgrade to this next level mug. And also the price is pretty standard. You can get it for about $12-15 from a supplier and sell it for about $30 to $40. You can also build a one product store out of this. It has the wow factor of being a product that is that next level of mug that I talked about. And it's also a product that solves a really big problem, which is maybe sometimes you don't know if the food is actually going to stay cold. It doesn't stay cold for long enough. And I've seen a lot of projects like this, specifically on Kickstarter and other crowdfunding project tools or platforms that sell really, really well. They all solve the same problem, but they're really good for people. And now specifically throughout the months of summer, it's gonna sell really, really well. Real quick, sorry for the interruption. I just want to congratulate Cora for winning the 0 to 60,000 per month case study that I did with my student Ryan. We show you absolutely everything, the products, the ads, how he scaled it up to that particular point, to the 6-figure point. If you're interested in that, all you got to do is comment automate, like my automated e-commerce t-shirt, automate down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. Another great product that can sell in pretty much any general store, if you're testing a store that targets older people or an older generation, or just people that tend to be a little bit older, around 40, 50 and older, this particular product right here, which is a water bottle combined with a vitamin table. If you've seen any of these vitamin tables before, you can basically put for every day of the week what you take. So Monday you take this one, Tuesday you take, Wednesday you take. Why I think it's better for older people is because they tend to have this problem the most, where they need to take a specific medicine every single day. What they can do is on Monday, they can prepare the whole week. And also it's a water bottle that they can take everywhere. So it's not just taking a little capsule with all the medicines that they need to take. It's actually a cool water bottle. Also, it's a product that has that wow factor. They can show it off to other people. It looks really cool. They can show it off. And it just a product that solves a really massive problem. Also for people returning back to work, now that the lockdowns are easing up a little bit, the coronavirus is the countries are opening up a lot more, a lot of offices are opening back up, people that are going to work and they need to take their medicines, for example, during work, they can just take the water, take the capsule, and then just drink it very, very easily. Quite a cool product to sell. Has a nice wow factor. Definitely something that can sell for any general store or just anybody targeting people of this demographic. The next product up for people that are working at home and anything that you're targeting for people that are staying at home a long time, specifically working at home because of the pandemic and obviously working online, is this little clip here that attaches to your iPad or your computer. It's called an expansion bracket, and you can put it on your laptop just like me right here. And put it, and then you can put your iPhone on it and have your iPhone and your laptop at the same time. You don't have to put the iPhone somewhere else where you lose it. You can just put it, clip it right next to your computer, and it's very easy to use right there. I haven't seen it in other spy tools. I haven't seen it that much running. I saw one Shopify store selling it quite consistently, had a lot of views on their Facebook ad, and also it's getting quite a consistent amount of sales here on AliExpress. Definitely a product that can blow up really, really well, that can sell a lot, specifically because of the pandemic. A lot of more people working online. The movement of people working at home and working online is bigger every single day, and people are just stuck at home with the work online, and obviously with schools online as well. They can just put their phone on the right hand side or the left hand side of their computer, and it can aid them not have their phone thrown everywhere, and also don't know where to actually put the phone. So for students, it's really good. For people that are working at home, it's really good. Just a really cool product. Doesn't have that many sales, not that many people talking about it. I've just seen very similar products to this that solve a problem, have that wow factor, can do extremely well for your Shopify store. The next product up is actually two products in one, and it's for a niche that is blowing up, getting a lot of more people interested in it, and a lot of sales for many products in it. It is the cycling niche, or the bicycle niche, people that have bicycles. And this particular product, it is a wrist mirror. So you can put it on your wrist and you can have a mirror basically attached onto your bicycle. Most bicycles don't have a good mirror, or most motorbikes, most motorcycles don't have a really good mirror, or the mirrors are a little bit weird to look at. So this one is a good addition for safety to anybody that has a new bicycle or is using a bicycle. You can also rotate it in any way that you want, shape it in any way that you want. And although it doesn't have that many sales, you can go and combine it with the next product, which is this one right here. It is a bicycle light, and this particular product does have a ton of orders, almost 9,000 orders. If you look here at this application called Asify, a lot of people have asked me, what do you use to determine how many sales or how much traffic a product has on AliExpress? You can use this tool called Asify. Click on the sales statistics here. Click on that and it'll tell you on the right hand side how many sales this product has. So by day, it's getting 47 to 50 sales per day consistently, per week 300, per 2 weeks, per month, and so on. So this tool really tells you, it also tells you what countries these sales are coming from, and people are buying on the AliExpress supplier right here. And it's a great product to combine with the mirror. So this one in particular is this light right here that you can put on any bicycle or motorbike or anything that you're using. And it's a really flashy light. It opens up the route for you, not just a little light, as you can see here. It's for safety, obviously at night mainly, using it right here. And these two products can be sold as a safety bundle. So you have your light so that people can see you and you can see what's happening in the front of you. And then also you can sell the mirror so that you can see what's happening in the back of you. So it's something that I thought I would just separate it into two products, but it's really one product that you can sell as a bundle together with those two, selling extremely well. If you're targeting people that have any sort of interest in this niche, it can do really, really well. I was actually gonna stop at 7 products, but I decided to add 2 extra more that I can show you on this list so that you can get the most results possible and actually have more to choose from. So the next particular product, which is great for people that are at home, that drink a lot of tea. So I know one of my students that is selling products related to tea makers, he's doing really well. This particular product, it is a mug heater right here. You can see that you put it on this little platform. It's waterproof. It heats anything up very quickly. You can use it for coffee, for tea. So you basically put your mug on top of it and it heats it up. This particular product, if you get a good supplier, this one is good. I would recommend getting a supplier outside of AliExpress. If you can get a product like this, it's not selling that much, but for the people that actually need it, this can be a great product specifically, for example, on Google. It can do extremely well if you use that search traffic related to this particular product. It could be a big, big seller for you. I know a lot of people that will benefit a lot from a product like this. You can pretty much heat anything that you want on this little, and it's sort of like a little coaster, a mug heater right there. It's also waterproof. You're not gonna break it or anything. It's not gonna burn or anything. It's a great, useful product, wow factor product. If you make a video out of this, you can sell it on Facebook. The cost of it, you can sell it for about $30, $40. Get it from your supplier for around $15, $18. Really wow factor product. It can get people to look at it and think, wow, this is super cool. Share it with other people and just have that social sharing aspect of this particular product. Thought I would share it with you. Can have a lot of potential to sell in the next couple of months. The last product up that I want to show you here, it is a home decor, home decoration product. I've seen very similar products to this do extremely well, and this one is actually a cheaper version to it. Anybody, regardless of how much money they have, can decorate their house really, really well with this one. It is a mirror surface wall sticker, and here the picture, it doesn't really mean anything, or you can't really see it that much, but if we go and scroll up to here, for example, you can put just a sticker as a mirror on your wall. So you can go and put this sticker as much as you want, as many decorations as you want, what shapes that you want it to be. So it's a pretty cheap product that you can get that has a massive decoration aspect to it. So you don't need to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars to get a nice decor on your house. You can just buy this particular product specifically for college students, for anybody that doesn't have that much money, but still wants to have a really nice environment around them. Really, really good to sell. As you can see, it's also a mirror. So if you want a mirror in your house, but you don't actually want to buy a whole freaking mirror, you can just use the mirror sticker and bump it up to your wall right here. And you can decorate it as much as you want, bend it as much as you want, and pretty much do anything that you want with it. It doesn't have that many orders. I wanted to include it at the end because I think this product has a ton of potential to sell in the next couple of weeks. It might be somebody from this video that takes it and starts selling it and does really, really well. Home decor products, home niche products, home people that have a home and they're investing money into their home products. Definitely a great niche to sell, and a niche that sells again and again and again to these people that are very passionate about making their home a better environment. That's it for these 7 winning products that you can sell on your Shopify store. If you want to know how to source these products and actually how to fulfill the orders to your customers, I made a video on the best fulfillment AliExpress alternative that you can use right now, explained by my student who actually found it. He's made more than $200,000 with this particular company. Check the video right here. Video right here, 3-day shipping from China, how you can get it, and what is the best alternative to AliExpress. Make sure to click that video and check it out right now. People are absolutely loving it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, that like button, and make sure to join us for our 5-day training down in the first link down in the description. I will see you in the training. Check out that video, subscribe, and comment automate down below. I will see you in the next video.